Hi, I'm sure you are enjoying your life. You must work towards your goal, you must keep struggling, you must keep grinding yourself, but never miss that feeling of enjoying life because life is a celebration. Few days back, I went on a long drive with my buddies, and there were a lot of people on the road because the weather was amazing. It was drizzling. I'm sure each one of us just want to go out on a long drive, isn't it? But there was something amazing that I just saw. There was a sophisticated person who was just very close to us, and he opened his car window and spit it outside on the road without even checking whether there was somebody else walking next to the car or there was somebody else on the pavement. Please take care of every action that you do because it is our actions who define us, whether we are sophisticated or elite or cool, whomsoever you are. Be a good human and check every action because our actions define who we are.